when it comes to piety, when Allah has given you the acceptance or ability to fulfill your salah, so now you're fulfilling 5 salah a day, shaitan is upset. But shaitan doesn't stop. When your business in your shop, you find that there is something lacking and business is going down, what do? You have a meeting and you start thinking of other ways of making money. So you start selling online, you start advertising in a different way, you go into different lines, because you have to start selling, you need to make money to survive. The same would apply with shaitan. When he sees, oh no, this person is now doing 5 salah, this person is now dressing properly, this person is now reading the Quran, you know what shaitan does? He comes to you and says, you're very pious, you are very pious. So you start believing, I'm holy. When you believe you're holy, that's from shaitan. You can thank Allah to allow you and to accept you to fulfill your salah. But don't ever think now you are a holy man. Khalas, it's over. Now I'm pious. No way. Like I said earlier, everyone, myself included, we need help. We can improve. We should improve. We will never get to perfection, but we need to keep trying to get there. The minute you think you're pious and you are now holy, you know what happens? You start looking down on others. And then when you look down on others, that's already a quality of Jahannam. You start looking down. This man, what's his story? Look at him. He comes to the masjid, check how he's making salah. Look at this guy's, the way he's standing. Look at the jeans he's wearing. Look at the this, look at the that. Why look? Why worry about that? Do you love the people? Do you want to see goodness for them? When you consider yourself one of everyone, you thank Allah, oh Allah, I thank you for giving me the opportunity to fulfill 5 salah today. Keep me steadfast on it. Keep me humble. Make me the source of helping other people to also come towards goodness and help me improve myself. That is now a true believer. Do you get the point? That's a true believer. I need help. When I come out to talk to you, I in no way am I trying to sound like I'm a little, pious character sitting in front of you blasting. No, not at all. All I want to do is remind each other to say, listen guys, we can do better. We need to do better. We have a crisis in the ummah. The ummah is fragmented. Let's think of reason to come together. Like I said, millions of things, we are exactly the same. 5 differences. For those 5 differences, khalas, that's it. We are fighting and killing each other. Do you know that we have the largest number globally of any faith? In my opinion, the number of Muslims there are across the globe, we are the largest in number. So someone was saying, well, you know what, how do we know who are Muslims? I always say, you ask the disbelievers who are Muslims. Whoever they say, this is a Muslim, those are Muslims. If you ask the Muslims, for them no one's a Muslim besides themselves. Do you get the point? When you ask a Muslim, show me who the Muslims are, he'll show you the 10 people who think like him. That's it. The others, hey, watch out, those are not Muslims. You can't eat their food, you can't marry their women, you can't... Hey, my brother, the best thing, go and ask the non-Muslims, who are the Muslims? They'll point at all of us together. Those are the Muslims. You follow what I'm saying? You want to know who the Muslims are? You ask the non-Muslims, who are the Muslims? They will show you. You ask the Muslims, they won't show you. It's just them and their little group. Problem, big problem. We have the largest number Muslims, in inverted commas here. Muslims meaning people who call themselves Muslims. Largest number. But guess what? Shaitan came to us and fragmented us because of little differences we have. I'm not denying that we do have the differences, and they are. And some of them are legitimate. There will be differences. But does it warrant for us to hate each other to the degree where we're ready to kill each other just because we have these differences? If the answer in your heart is a yes, you have a long way to go to understand who is the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah help us. May Allah grant us love. When someone sees you, they should see in your eyes the love, not the hatred. When someone looks at you, they greet you, they should feel the feeling of love, not hatred. We are members of the ummah.